In this video we will see some basics of QGIS software. We will see some aspects of QGIS interface and initial settings. Now you can open the QGIS software by going to your desktop. On your desktop you can see the folder called QGIS 3.10. The 3.10 is a version which we have installed. So double click on that folder, and in this folder you can see several shortcuts, out of which two shortcuts are useful for us. One is QGIS Desktop 3.10.7 and another is QGIS Desktop 3.10.7 with GRASS 7.8.3. As you might have aware, GRASS is another GIS software, and when you open this link, then it opens a version of QGIS which is integrated with GRASS. And the advantage is then you can use some of the GRASS functions in the same QGIS interface. If you open this version, then you only open the QGIS and you cannot access GRASS. In subsequent classes we will be using some of the functions from the GRASS, so we'll be using this shortcut. So double click on it and then it will load QGIS software. Sometimes it takes several seconds to a minute. Just wait. Yeah, so here we are. So this is a default QGIS interface. We'll see some of its aspects. So here you have the menu bar. This is a standard menu bar, similar to standard menu bar of other softwares like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Here you have several options like project, edit, view, layer, settings, plugins, and so on. Then here you have this toolbar, and you can see some of the tools over here. So by using this toolbar you can perform operations you want. Later on we will see how to customize this toolbar as per our preferences. If you hover your mouse on these symbols, then it displays the functions of those toolbars. Okay, and then here on your left hand side you have called browser panel, and here you have layer panel. This browser panel is similar to the Windows Explorer if you are using the Windows as operating system. From here you can access files which are stored on your system, and then you can load the required files in this environment, GIS environment. As we have seen in GIS, data is stored in multiple layers. The layers which you open using this browser, all these layers appear in this layer panel. We will see more details subsequently. And here you have this entire map canvas. So whatever layers you opened in this environment, all the special attributes or special aspects, maps, you are going to see in this map canvas. Okay, so this is how the interface is. In bottom there are few options are available, and we'll talk about those later. Then see some of the options available in settings. So the setting option is available over here in the menu bar. Click on it. then the options. In this option, you have several tabs on your left hand side, and one of the tab is system. If you click on system, which is default in my case, then you see here option in the settings which says reset user interface to default setting, which require restart. If somehow, if something goes wrong and you wish to bring back your default user interface, then you can click on this button and you can restart your application. Then your default interface will be restored. This is just for your information. Right now already I am using the default interface, so I am not going to click over here. Yeah. The another option which is available over here, for that you need to click on this general tab. After clicking here, you see UI theme, user interface theme. Okay, these are basically the themes which are available in this QGIS software. Right now I am using the default. There are two more themes available, night mapping and blend of gray. You can try these themes and see how it appears. I like the default version, so I'm not going to change it. This is just for your information. So I have not changed anything over here, so I'm pressing cancel and I'm moving out. Also in QGIS you can set your user profile in setting. This is called user profile. I have already built my profile, so I'm using it, and therefore you see the user profile over here. This name you can see over here. Similarly, you can build the user profile for yourself by clicking on new profile. You can type your own name and you can build the profile. So these people build this profile as per their project or as per the client and so on. This is something which is not mandatory. Without a profile you can also work in a QGIS, but this is just for your information. So you can work with your default profile, doesn't matter at all. So I'm quitting this, I'm saying cancel. So this is all about the QGIS interface. You can customize this QGIS interface by moving this browser wherever you want. Generally I prefer browser on the right hand side, so that you can get a full view of the layer panel, which is helpful if you are dealing with the multiple layers. In case if you do not see some of these panels, then you can bring those back. For example, because of some mistake, if I delete this browser panel, I can remove this browser panel. Similarly, I can remove this layer panel. Then I can bring those back by clicking at view in the main tool, and here you see the panels, and these are the panels which are available. I can bring those panels back. For example, I want browser panel back, so browser panel is over here. Also I can bring back the layer panel, so the panel is here again. Similarly, you can arrange these panels anywhere you want. That kind of flexibility this software offer. To summarize, in this video we have learned the basics of QGIS interface, also some of the layer panels, some of the panels like layer panel and the browser panel, how to rearrange these panels, how to bring back those panels, and also some of the initial settings of QGIS. Thank you.